Hello children, myself Shubha Kulkarni. I am going to continue chapter 6 construction. How to construction angle. So already I explained for you how to construct a perpendicular bisector for a line and how to construct angular bisector for an angle, given angle. Now for given a ray, at the original point or at the starting point, how to construct angle without using protractor. So I am going to explain for you now. Children, before that, if I construct a circle, I am going to construct a circle, children, of radius of. So approximately I take something. Alright, you think, you imagine this array, given ray you think, this is a given ray, okay, of some radius. This is a given ray of some radius to A. Okay, children. Now, if I take the same radius by using compass, and I construct a circle. So, if I construct a circle, children, if I construct a circle, angle of the center of the circle is 360 degree. We know angle of the center is 360 degree. So, without using protractor, now I have to construct at the starting point of this given ray. You think 60 degree. You should not change the radius. I have taken this much radius, children. Without changing the radius, if you keep it at the point A and draw an arc, and if you join from here to here, it represents 60 degree. This is if you join from here to here, it is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. You have to construct for a given ray 30 degree angle at the starting point. So this is we know now this is a 60 degree. 60 degree draw approximately one arc and bisect this arc. You know now already I explained for you how to construct angular bisector. So now if I bisect this angle, I am going to get this angle as 30 degree, children. So this is 60 degree, and now if I draw another one arc without changing, see the change without changing the radius. Now from here to here it is radius of this circle, and same I have done one arc, and by using the same arc, then you have to take this arc as the center and draw another one arc from here to here it is 60 degree. Draw another one arc from here to here it is 60 degree, but from here to here it is 180 degree. So the whole circle is divided into 60 degree. How many? 60 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60 degree. Here if you join these, this is another 60 degree. From here to here 60 degree. This is if you join this straight line, it becomes this is 60 degree. So now if I join here to here, it is another 60 degree. Equally, if I take the same radius and if I take A as center like that, from here to here it is 60 degree, from here to here it is 60 degree. If I go by taking same radius, from here to here it is 60 degree, from here to here it is 60 degree, from here to here it is 60 degree. According to the given question, if they ask for you to construct 60 degree angle without using protractor, so you can draw one ray, given ray OA, by taking the same radius, draw an arc and cut by taking the same radius, cut this arc and join this 60 degree over, children. So you want to construct 30 degree. So approximately you can take this arc only as this much arc only 60 degree. So you can bisect this, we'll get 30 degree here. You want 15 degree, so you want 15 degree means here from here to here, this is the 30 degree. So this is the arc. You take more than half of this arc and take A as center and round arc. Take this as center and cut that arc and join. So 30 degree we bisected. So we will get 15 degree with this starting point of this ray. So we want 15 degree also we can consider, 30 degree also we can consider, 60 degree also. 60 degree at once. If I bisect 60 degree, I am going to get 30 degree. If I construct for 30 degree angular bisector, I am going to get 15 degree. So you want 90 degree. 90 degree you want means, see this is from here to here 60, from here to here 60. So if we bisect this angle from here to here, if I bisect, I am going to get 30. So from here to here it is 60 and from here to here 30. So all together from here to here it becomes 90 degrees. See now, you want to construct only 15 degree. So take approximately one ray and draw an arc by taking the same radius. So you take one arc radius by using the same radius. Draw one arc first. So then by taking the same radius, you can cut this. Okay, this is 60 degree children. This is 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree for join, you got it 60 degree. You want to construct 30 degree, you bisect this arc only. More than half of this you take and draw one arc taking this A as center and cut this arc taking this as center. So now if you cut like this way, it will join if you join these two, then this is 30 degree. We know now from here to here it is 60. If I construct angular bisector for 60 degree, I will get 30 degree. So you want to construct 50 degree, then this more than half of this measurement you take and take A as center, draw an arc, taking this as center because which angle you are bisecting, that arc end, two ends you take as center and cut this arc and join like this way. Then this angle is nothing but 15 degree. 15, 30, 60 over. Then you want 90 degree. 90 degree means you want you to draw one ray OA up approximately one radius. But the same radius you take it and draw half of the semicircle. Semicircle you will draw. Once okay, 60 degree over. So if I cut once, it is 60 degree. So another time if I construct. If another time if I construct, it becomes now by taking the same radius. So if I cut this is 60 degree, then the same if I cut, then it is 60 degree, another 60 degree. So now this is already 60 we know children. So the next if this 60, if I bisect this 60 from here to here, it is angle is 60 degree. If I bisect this, more than half of this measurement you take it. Now I have to construct 90 degree angle now. More than half of this measurement you take it. Then taking this end of this arc as center, draw one arc and taking another arc end as center, cut this arc. Okay, join then. So approximately this is, we will get it 90 degree. Okay, exactly we will get 90 degree perpendicular we will get. So this is okay. So 90 degree. So approximately we come to know from here to here it is 60 degree. Then from here to here it is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Next is 60 degree you bisect. So half of it becomes from here to here 30, then from here to here 60. So totally it becomes 90 degree. Okay. So this is 30. You want to construct 115, then you bisect this 30. You will get 15. So 90 plus 15 it becomes 105. 105 angle we can construct. In this panel, which angle you want to bisect, you should observe properly and you have to bisect that angle by using angular bisector steps method. So already I explained for you how to bisect the angle. By using that method, we can construct a 30 degree. Which angle you want? So first 60 degree you want. Okay. If you bisect the 60, if you bisect 60, you are going to get 30 degree, children. So if you bisect this 30 degree angle, then you are going to get 15 degree. You want 30 degree means you bisect the 60 degree angle, and you want 15 degree means once again you have to bisect 30 degree. Then you are going to get 15 degree. So then you want to bisect that, then you have to construct 90 degree. You have to construct 90 degree means first for this first 60 degree one arc, next 60 degree you bisect it. So it becomes 30 degree, then this becomes 30 degree. This it becomes 30 degree means what it becomes 90 degree. You want to construct 105. 105 means what you can do it. First you have to construct 90 degree, then plus 15, next 30 degree there. That 30 you have to bisect it into two equal parts. Then it becomes 15. Then it becomes 105. 75 degree you want to construct, children. 75 degree means 60. Next 60 degree there. Next 60 you divide. Then it becomes 30, children. If then once again you have to bisect this once again. Then it becomes 15. So 60 plus 15 it becomes 75. You should have idea which angle I have to bisect to get that given angle, children. So you should know before that the basic concept. A whole circle is divided into 6 60 degree equal angles. At the center of a circle, the angle is 360 degree. Total angle at the center of a circle, it will be 360 degree, and it is divided into 6 equal angles. If I draw by taking approximate radius, we will construct a circle without changing the radius. If I cut circumference of a circle into 6 equal parts, so angle will get idea. Then how much angle they had given in the question to construct, it depends on that. How you can construct, you should have idea, then you can construct, children. Okay, children, write down this much. You have idea now. Now I am going to construct 60 degree angle at a given ray at the starting point. Okay, children, write down this much. Children, now to construct an angle of 60 degree at the initial point of a given ray. How to construct a given ray at the initial point? How to construct 60 degree angle? So now I will take a ray. Now this is a given ray. This is a given ray. OA. This is a given ray. OA. At initial point here I have construct 60 degree, children. So I have construct 60 degree means I will do it now. So the same radius, given ray, how much is there? Same radius you take it by using compass, children, and draw a circle part, because it's not necessary, full circle is not necessary for us to construct 60 degree angle. So now I have constructed this much. So now this much measurement is same, children. From here to here also the same. Now I am going to cut the same by taking same radius, taking A as center, I am cutting this circle arc. Then if I join, this is 60 degree. So now if I join, children, this is 60 degree, you can measure and you can verify. Without using protractor, I have constructed 60 degree now. So now you can shuffle also by using protractor culture, then I am going to get this as 60 degree. So if I join now, how to prove it now? OA and OB are radial the same circle, and if I join B to A, this also same radius R I have taken. So here in this triangle, in triangle OAB, we know OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. So OA and OB are radial the same circle. By taking the same radius, then triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, we know now all the three angles are equal. So in equilateral triangle, all the three angles are equal. That is 60 degrees. So we want to know this BOARAOB angle. It implies it is all three angles are it implies all three angles are 60 degrees. Therefore, AOB angle is equal to 60 degree. Okay, children, this is a way of constructing a 60-degree angle in a given ray at initial point without using protractor. In equilateral triangle, that also another property also we know now. Equal sides opposite angles are equal. In equilateral triangle, all the three angles are equal, all the three sides are equal. So here this angle also becomes 60 degree, and this also becomes 60 degree, this also 60 degree. But they told for us to construct 60 degree at initial point of a given ray. We constructed without using protractor. Okay, children, write down and practice.